Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make a 3D action figure toy photo of yourself with ChatGPT. So if you've been seeing on TikTok where people are making 3D action figures of themselves using ChatGPT, then let me show you how to do this. So here you need to go ahead and first open up ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, you want to go ahead and first add a picture of yourself. So get a close-up picture of yourself. Now next, you want to go ahead and add this prompt. The prompt, I've added it in the description down below, so just copy it from there. And now go ahead and edit this prompt and add your description of the person you want to make the 3D action figure for. Once done, go ahead and send this off. And now you need to wait until ChatGPT creates you a 3D model of that photo. And now once the image has been created, it'll show you a preview. Go ahead and tap on this. And now you can go ahead and save this to your phone library. So there you go, guys. That is how to create a 3D model of yourself using ChatGPT.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.